So yung mga tol, dahil gutom na kaming dalawang mag-ama, kaya kumakain kami. Dahil boys kid tayo, kumakain tayo ng ganyan.
Wow!
Yummy? Tinuruan ko yung anak ko kumain sa plastic. Malinis naman siya, syempre.
Yummy!
We're going to aquarium. Yay! Big aquarium. You want that? Punta kami dun. Hindi niya alam na sa palengke lang kami pumunta. Mabilas ang isda ang makikita. You know what I'm saying? What is that? Let's go to aquarium na. Let's go. Up. Are you happy? Yes. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Binangonan Wet Market. Punta tayo sa malaking aquarium dito. Alam niyo na kung ano yun. Walk. Walk on the side. Side lang. Dylan, are you ready? Yes! Ready na siya sa aquarium.
Can you feed the fish?
Yes!
Oh yes.
Oh, hammer balloon.
Yeah, hammer balloon. Here's the aquarium. Here's the aquarium. Oh. Yeah. There's a lot of fish. Oh. You can do that. Meron pa dito yung buhay. Meron dyan buhay. Dito may buhay na tilapia. Dito sa left. Hello. Diba ba? Big aquarium. You want that? Wait, saan yung may pitik-pitik pa dito? Wait lang ha, hanap tayo ng pitik-pitik pa dito. Wait lang ha, hanap tayong buhay. Yung buhay na naka-display. Hanap tayo. Here Dylan, meron ditong buhay oh. Doon sa live ano. Dito. Oh, dito. Oh.
Wow!
Dito. Want that?
Look, crab pa!
It's a bro. Dami diba? Dami. There's a shell din meron dito bangus. Meron dito bangus. Oh, Lance. Bangus. There.
Wow!
Bangus. Octopus din. Pusit.
Wow!
Oh.
That
And then shrimp.
wait, what's that pa? Shell?
Yeah, shell. Shell.
Ikala ko, shark. Uy!
Oh, it's a big big shark. Picture mo dali. Picture mo dali. Put your hands there.
Now!
Put your hands there.
Now!
Here po. There's a live oh. There. There's a live fish oh. Yeah. Why you take off your sandals?
Because it's dirty.
Because of the water? What can you say about the aquarium? Good. There's a lot of fish, diba?
They're dirty.
They're dead. But there's a lot of fish, right?
But they're still dirty.
Told you. It's good. Say it good. This is Maya. Ay, nakalord. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. So yan, hanggang dito na lang video natin. Ayun na, Mukhang nadismaya yung anak ko, yan o.
Mamangpi!
Lumalat ang fish, diba? It's alive pa, there's alive pa. There's alive fish.
Mamangpi!
Ay, naku, 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 naku.